guys, Shreya here and welcome back to my channel, The Art of Beauty and Wellness. So as you can see from the title of this video, I'm going to make vitamin C serum, but this video is slightly different as I'm going to explain today how to make most effective vitamin C serum with its exact measurements and proportion and how to maintain the pH level of your skin. Vitamin C has lots of benefits and effectiveness on the skin if we follow the instructions properly. Otherwise, it has lots of side effects on the skin. But you do not worry because today I'll be sharing with you in very simple and easy steps on how to make most effective vitamin C serum, and also I'll be writing in the description box below about the measurements and proportion, so please do not forget to check that as well. So the first thing, why do you require vitamin C on your skin? So the answer is vitamin C is a superstar anti-aging ingredient in your skincare. It increases your collagen level, which decreases your wrinkles. It has antioxidant and also protection against UV light, pollution and natural aging of your skin. So now the problem with vitamin C. So the big problem with vitamin C is its product L-ascorbic acid, which is very unstable in water-based products. So you need that exact proportion and measurements to make vitamin C serum. Otherwise you may end up getting skin irritation, redness or even acne. So let's quickly check the video on how to make most effective vitamin C serum. But before that, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified for my latest upcoming videos. So now, how to make vitamin C serum? For an effective vitamin C serum, you need 5 to 20% L-ascorbic acid at an pH level less than 3.5. If you go above 20%, there are no advantages, but you might get side effects. First thing, to make this serum, you need vitamin C powder, which you can easily get at your nearby pharmacy. For a 5% serum, multiply the volume of your container in ml by 0.05 to get L-ascorbic acid required in gram. Vitamin C in grams is milliliter into 0.05. So for example, if you want 10% serum, vitamin C in grams required is milliliter into 0.1. So if I am making 10 milliliter of 10% of vitamin C required in gram you need is 10 into 0.1, which is equal to 1 gram powder. For 20 ml of 10% of vitamin C, which is equal to 20 into 0.1 is equal to 2 grams powder. Always start with less quantity for first use for few days and then slowly increase your proportion from 5% to 10, 15 and 20%. Now for 10% vitamin C serum in 10 ml of water, we need vitamin C in gram, which is equal to 10 into 0.10, which is 1 gram of vitamin C. That is, for average 1/4 teaspoon will be averagely 1 gram. Now dilute this powder in water. Put the lid on and shake well until powder is dissolved in water. Now fill the whole bottle with water. Once it dissolves, measure the pH with pH test strip, and if it is not between 3 and 4, add small amount of sodium bicarbonate and retest until the pH is between 3 and 4. If you follow the exact measurements, the pH level of the serum will be between 3 and 4, which is ideal for our skin. Now add few drops of vitamin E oil as it helps in prevent skin aging and wrinkles. It also prevents the healing of scar and repairs and improves the appearance of damaged tissue on the skin. Wrap this bottle in foil as it is light sensitive, and this is the easiest and cheapest way to protect your serum.
And if you don't have dark bottle, you can store it in this bottle. This serum will easily last for at least 1 week and maximum up to 2 weeks with this protective foil. Bacteria will not grow and pH level is low, and after a week make a new batch and slowly try and increase the serum percentage up to 20%. Apply it on your skin and slowly massage it for few minutes and let it absorb in your skin. Try this recipe and share with me your reviews about the effect on your skin. See you in my next video. Bye.